Hey everybody, it's Justin from Destination Kia. Well, the results are in, and for 6 consecutive years, the Kia Telluride has been named Kelley Blue Book's best value in its class. Yeah, that's right. The mid-size multi-passenger sport utility vehicle class, which has more entrants than just about any vehicle class out there, for 6 years running, the Telluride has been the best value. That includes things like manufacturer's suggested retail price, actual transaction prices, and cost of ownership, including maintenance and depreciation over the first 5 years of ownership. The masses have spoken, and the Telluride wins again. Get down here to Destination Kia. I don't have 1 or 2 of these things. At any given moment, we've probably got 35 for you to choose from. And with this many people falling in love, I think you'll be next. If you haven't checked out the Telluride yet, get down here to Destination Kia, because we can't wait to see you.